Morning, preppers. Yeah, a little bit different setting. Had to test the tent out last night, ran the stove. Things were not bad at all. So I think this morning, what I want to do, since I have to go to the store, is I want to talk a little bit about inflation. And the reason I want to do that, not to bore the shit out of you, but you should be very concerned. I've talked to you guys about the cycle. It's inflation, deflation, hyperinflation. Hyperinflation. We're quickly moving into the deflationary realm where prices will be forced to go down, but the value of your dollar will stay the same, which is going to be almost worthless. We're quickly moving into that. All right. Now, I actually had somebody send me a picture. Somebody sent me a picture of a beef tenderloin like roast. It was $115. No, it was $109. It was almost $15 a pound. That's insane. That's absolutely insane. And here's the thing. It's just going to get worse. It's absolutely 100% just going to get worse. So I hope that you've been listening, if not to me, to somebody crazier than I am, about filling your pantry and getting your preps in order. Because not only are the prices of everything going to skyrocket, which we're currently seeing now. I think somebody sent me a picture of Lactaid that was $7 and some cents for a gallon of Lactaid. It's not getting better. It's not getting better. And the left is taking a victory lap because they managed to lower the prices of gas by 4 cents nationwide. And they created the problem. So I think we all need to just start paying a little bit more attention to what we're spending our money on. Unfortunately, when people stop spending money, that will start the deflationary cycle. And I think it's just a matter of time until we're all living in these. There's no telling. Okay, guys, that's all I had to say this morning other than good morning. And I want everybody to stay safe. I want you to have a great day. And yeah, I'm outside, so here it comes. Woohoo! Boop. Thanks for 2 minutes and 57 seconds of your life. Bye-bye.